In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add person in Divi Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a person module in the right spot on your page so you can showcase a team member with their photo, name, title, and a short bio. First, open your site in Divi and launch the visual builder so you can work directly on the page. For this walkthrough, we're starting on the home page, but the process is the same on any page using Divi. Give the page a moment to load. Once the builder is active, you'll see color-coded outlines as you move your cursor around the layout. Next, decide where you want the person module to appear. Move your mouse until the section you have in mind is outlined. In Divi, sections are typically highlighted in blue, rows in green, and modules in gray. This color system helps you confirm you're targeting the correct layer. Click the section where you want to place the new content. This tells Divi, "I'm working here," and ensures the module is added in the right context. Look to the right-hand side panel. This is your workspace hub for managing what's inside the area you selected. If you don't immediately see the options you expect, scroll the panel or resize your browser window so the controls are fully visible. Open the Elements view within that panel. This is where all available modules live. Then choose Add Element. A picker will appear, showing you the full library of modules you can insert into the selected area. Use the search field to quickly find what you need by typing person or scroll until you see the person module. When you find it, click Person. Divi will place the module inside the section you selected, and you'll see a placeholder version appear on the page. At this point, the module is in place and ready for your content. You can add a photo, set the name and job title, write a short description, and optionally enable social links. If you're matching a brand style, consider adjusting the image shape, text alignment, and spacing so the new profile blends with the rest of your design. Keep an eye on how it looks on desktop, tablet, and phone for a consistent result. That's all there is to adding a person module in Divi. Place it, select it, and you're ready to personalize. When you're happy with the result, remember to save your changes so everything goes live. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your team section with confidence.